In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com Workspace, Board, and Group. We'll walk through how to navigate your account so you understand where your work lives, how to switch between workspaces and boards, and how to organize items using groups and favorites. Follow along in your own Monday.com tab if you can. Start by going to your Monday.com homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. On the top left, you'll see the Monday logo, usually shown as a stylized M. Click that logo. This opens the main navigation area, which is where you can quickly jump between different parts of your account. From this menu, look for the option called Browse All and click it. Browse All is your directory view. It shows all the workspaces and boards you have access to, so it's the best place to get an overview of your setup. In this view, you'll see a section for your workspaces. Click on the Workspace selection area so you can see the available options, then choose the main workspace. The main workspace is typically where core company or team boards live. Selecting it will filter the boards list to show only what's inside that workspace. Within the main workspace, you'll see different boards, often grouped by projects or teams. Click on a board that represents a project, such as one dedicated to inventory management or another specific project. This opens the board and shows you all the items and groups inside it. If you have multiple similar boards, you can move between them using the same Browse All panel, switching from one project board to another as needed. If at any point you want to go back to the main workspace overview, just use the left navigation, click the Monday logo again, choose Browse All, and select the main workspace. This is a quick way to reorient yourself if you get deep into a board and want to step back. Now, once you've opened a board you use frequently, you can make it easier to access next time by adding it to your favorites. In the board header or in the Browse All list, look for the star or favorites icon and click it. That board will then appear in your favorites section, so you can get to it without browsing through all workspaces. Inside a board, you'll often want to separate your items into meaningful chunks, like phases, clients, or priorities. To do this, click on Add New Group. Give your new group a clear, descriptive name so everyone understands what belongs there. You can then drag items into this group or create new items directly inside it. Groups are a simple but powerful way to keep your board structured and easy to read, especially as your project grows.